Okay, today we are going to learn how to get the Python version installed in this system. We are using PyDroid 3. Okay, so let's get started. Import sys. Sys is a built-in module in the Python installation. From that module, we will use the info version info exactly. So in a print statement, we pass sys dot version and execute, and we get this result. In the first part appears the Python version 3.8.3. This is the release date, May 27th, 2020, and also appears the time 287, and this is the compiler for this Python version. We can also get a more specific results for the Python version. We will use a new line, and now from the sixth module, from the sixth module we will use version info for more specific data about this version. Major version 3, minor, and micro version. Micro is for fixes and repair some bad code that has been detected in the previous version. Minor is for adding functionality, and major is for important and relevant changes in the Python programming language. This is the final release, so we get a stable version for code our programs to create our software. Great.